24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Counting 1 to 50. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial, and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the concept of counting 1 to 50. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Inform them that they will count and write numbers from 1 to 50. Learning objectives. Students should be able to read, write, and represent numbers from 1 to 50. Identify number words from 1 to 50. Generate a set equal to a number from 1 to 50. Compose numbers from 1 to 50. Repeat numbers from 0 to 50 and recall that all numbers are combinations of basic numbers starting from 0 and ending on 9. To move forward, follow these steps. 1. Tell the children that numbers change because we only change the tens position and unit position. 2. Next, they use manipulatives to represent a given quantity in tens and ones. Use wooden or plastic blocks to make 5 towers of 10 each, and then the remaining as units. Another activity can be 1. Draw a ladder pattern on the floor and write on it numbers from 1 to 50. 2. Instruct the children to roll on the dice and jump on the number. 3. Make sure that the starting point is 1. Play a game following these steps. 1. Tell the children, now we are going to count by tens, but when I clap my hands, I want you to start counting by ones. 2. Let me give you an example. 10, 20, 30, 40. Clap hands. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 3. Now it's your turn. Start at 10 and count forward by tens. But when I clap my hands, stop and count by ones. 10, 20, 30. Clap hands. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Stop. 4. Record the answers on the whiteboard. 5. Start at 10 and count forward by tens. But when I clap my hands, stop and count by ones. 10, 20. Clap hands. 21, 22, 23. Stop. Make the children learn numbers in words. Ask them to open their textbooks and circle the correct numbers. Reinforcement worksheet of numbers from 1 to 50 can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.